of the rat. Year of the horse. Year of the goat. Year of the snake. You are likely to go on a leisure trip with your family. If you have any altercation with your partner, hold yourself accountable and be the one to initiate the apology. Your lucky colors are red and black. Your lucky digits are 7, 1, and 4. Year of the dragon. Year of the tiger. Year of the monkey. Year of the rabbit. Year of the rooster. Year of the pig. Year of the dog. Year of the ox. Zodiac readings are just guides and predictions. Take one